Jai Hind students, welcome to live class. Students, today we will discuss whatever we have told previous. Previously we have told 6C, the division method. Now we just continue. Students, hope everyone completed whatever we have given. Question number up till 10 we have told you, and also we have given as a homework. Hope everyone done. Dear students, now today we will start from question number 11. So students, now keep yourself book, notebook, pen, and concentrate your mind on a board, whatever they are going on. Dear students, so now I am just going to write question number 11. Students, question number 11 given x power 4 minus 2x cube plus 2x square plus x plus 4 divided by x square plus x plus 1. Students, this is a little bit tough by previous sums. Question number 10 or 9 or 8. Here, how many terms? These are polynomials. These are also polynomials, not the binomials. Clear, student? So how we will do? Procedure is the same. This is not different. X square plus x plus 1. This way, x power 4 minus 2x cube plus 2x square plus x plus 1. This is the same procedure here what previous we have written, and again we will see the first value of divisor and first value of dividend. Clear? X power 4 and x square. What should multiply in x square? Then we will get equal to x power 4. We have told you, take dividend value of first x power 4, here x square, then x power 4 minus 2. So what value will come? X power 2. So what should multiply x power square? X power 2. So then we will get the x power 4. Yes. So now on quotient side we will write the x square. X square into x square. Yes. X square is multiply all three values. These all three values. X square multiply x square, the value will come x power 4. Now what the sign here? Plus. These are plus. So whatever sign here, then sign will come same, because here sign what? Positive. So plus. Now x square into x. X square into x, x cube. You can write also 1x. X square into 1 plus x square. So here we can write the 1x square. Students, now everyone knows that what we will do here? Subtract. So what sign here? Plus. What sign will come? Minus. Plus is here, minus. Plus is here, minus. Minus, this one is plus. Now x power 4 sign is minus, x cube sign is minus, and x square sign is also minus. Now sign has been changed because we are just going to subtraction. So x power 4 and x power 4 it will be cancelled. Minus 2x cube and minus 1x cube. So minus minus plus. So minus 2 minus 1, that is minus 3x cube. Plus and minus. Here is the plus 2 and minus 1. So what will come? Plus 1 x square plus 1 x square. Now one value will come here, plus x. See everyone. Again, the first value of this, what should multiply? You can check here, minus 3x cube upon x square. So 1, suppose we have taken here 1. 1 divided to 3, then 3 will come. X 3, then 2 will come like x power 3, and here sign will minus or minus. 3 minus 2 minus 3x power 1. So what will take? Minus 3x. Minus 3x into x square minus 3x. Clear? So minus 3x. We will write here minus 3x. Now sign will change here. Whatever the sign is here, plus, 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 because there is a minus. Okay? Sign will be changed here, minus 3x cube, because 3x into x square, 3x square, 3x into x minus 3x into x, 3x square, then minus 3x. Minus, we want to do minus, sign will change, plus, plus, then plus. So plus minus, it will be cancelled because sign are different, value are all same, plus and plus, 3 plus 1, 4x square, plus, plus, then plus, 4x, okay, 3 plus 1, 4x square, because there is plus, 3 plus 1, 4x. Now what is left here? Here should be 4, because there is even 4. So now 4 will come, plus 4. 4x square and x square. What should multiply? Again check 4x square upon x square. It will cancel, only 4 will come. So 4 multiply to all this value. We will write here plus 4. So 4x square and sign is plus. So all the sign will same. 4x square plus 4x plus 4. 4 into x square, 4x square plus 4 into x, 4x plus 4 into 1, 4. So all the values will come. We want to do minus, so sign will change, minus, plus is here, the minus, plus, minus. So it will be cancelled, cancel. Okay? So, students, whatever the value come, question is x square minus 3x plus 4. X square minus 3x plus 4. Clear? X square plus x plus 1, x power 4 minus 2x cube plus 2x square plus x plus 4. What we have taken first? X square. So x square into x square, x power 4, x square into x, x power cube, x power x square into 1, then x square. Minus is here, so all signs will change. Okay? With this sign we will compare the above. And what will come? Minus 3x cube plus 1x square plus 1x. Okay? Now what we have taken? Minus 3x. Minus 3x into x square, minus 3x cube, minus 3x into x, minus 3x square, minus 3x into 1, minus 3x. Then we want to do minus, so minus will come plus, minus, plus, and minus here, plus. And now plus, minus, cancel, plus, plus, and 4x square, 4x, and plus 4. Now 4 multiplied to this one, so value will come 4x square, 4x plus 4. And all the minus, so minus, minus, it will be cancel, all the cancel, because all the similar value with different sign. Clear, student? So answer will be, question is x square minus 3x plus 4 and remainder is 0. Now student, note it down everyone. Question number 12 you have to do yourself. Now telling question number 13 students. Question number 13 is given 5x cube minus 12x square plus 12x plus 13. 5x cube minus 12x square plus 12x plus 13 divided by x square minus 3x x square minus 3x plus 4. Hope everyone noticed, students. Going to draw. X square minus 3x plus 4, and here 5x cube minus 12x square plus 12x plus 13. Students, procedure are same. There is no difference. What previously we have done and like same we will do here. Clear, students? So x square is here is 5x cube. Simple, 5x cube upon x square. Here is 1 divided to 5 will come. X power 3 and minus x2, and x will come. 5x into x square, 5x2 will come. So here we will write 5x square. And one more thing, students, here is the plus sign. So sign will not change here. Whatever sign is here, I will write sign same. 5x cube into x square. 5x, not the 5x square. 5x cube minus 5 3 is 15 and x square, x is there and x is here, x square. Now plus sign, 5 into 4, 20. We want to do minus, so what will sign this one? Is a plus, so minus, minus is here, so plus is here, minus. Clear? Now minus and plus, cancel, plus, minus. So minus 12 minus 15 plus 15. So 3x square will come. 15 minus 12, 3. And sign is greater of 15 because 15 will now come at plus. Next one is minus 20x plus 12x. So minus 8x. Minus 8x plus 13. Okay, now students, 3x square is here. And here is x square. What should multiply? 3. 3 into 3x square, 3x square. So what we will take? 3. Here is the plus sign. So here we will take the plus 3. 3 into x square, 3x square. Sign will not change. Minus 3 3 is 9x. Plus 3 4 is 12. Now sign plus is here, minus and plus is here, minus. So it will be cancelled. Plus minus, so plus 9x and minus 8x. So x will come 1x on x minus plus 13 minus 12. So 13 minus 12 plus 1. This way, the quotient is 5x plus 3 and remainder is x plus 1. Note it down, students. Also you will write the quotient and remainder because there also remainder is here. So students, quotient 5x plus 3 and remainder is x plus 1. Now I will take last question. Question number 15. 14 you will do yourself. 15 I am telling. X power 4 plus 10x cube minus 5x square minus 4x then plus 1 by 2x square plus x minus 1. Question 15, 8x power 4 plus 10x cube minus 5x square minus 4x plus 1 by 2x square plus x minus 1. Hope everyone noted. Going to the questions. Place of y we will write the divide form. 2x square plus x plus minus 4. Sorry, 1. Eight x power 4. We will change. We will see also this one decreasing form or not. 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, it is right. Plus 10x cube. 4, 3 minus 5x square minus 4x plus 1. 8x power 4 here 2x square. 8x power 4 upon 2x square. So 2 4 is 8. 4 and x power 4 minus 2. So 4x square. So what should multiply here? 4x square into 2x square, 8x power 4. So what will write here? 4x square. 4x square. Then students, see everyone. 4 into 2, that is 8. X square to x square, x power 4. Now here is plus sign. Sign will not change. Here also sign will not change, so we have written in plus. Plus 4 into 1, 4 and x square to x cube. Minus 1, 4x square, minus 1, then minus 4x square into 1, then 4x square. Minus is here. If plus, then sign will change minus. Plus is here, minus, then plus. Minus, it will be cancelled. Minus plus, minus 10 minus 4, 6x cube. Plus, minus, and minus. But the minus sign is greater, 5. So minus 1x square. Now minus 4x will come. 6x cube and 2x square. 6x cube upon 2x square. 2 3 here and x power 3 minus 2 and x will come 3x. 3x into 2 x square, 3 into 2 6 and x into x square x cube. So here we will write plus 3x. 3 into 2 6 and x into x square x cube. Now 3 plus is here, sign will not change. Plus we will write here and 3 into 1x 1 3 and x into x square minus 3 into 3x into 1 3x minus plus is here minus plus minus minus is here plus. All the sign minus minus plus minus 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 plus minus cancel minus and minus. So 3 both are in minus, so minus minus plus. So minus 1 and minus 3 minus 4 4x square plus minus minus. Here is the plus, here is the minus. Plus, minus, minus. So, minus is, we will do minus. Minus sign is greater, so we will write minus, minus 1x. Clear students? Now, here is the plus 1, so we will write here plus 1. Clear? Now, students, 2x square. Minus 4x square. Minus 4x square upon 2x square. So x square will be cancelled. This is minus 2. Only minus 2 will come. So when we write here minus 2, then all the sign will change because there we have written minus. So minus 2 into 2, then 4x square. Then here is plus, then minus will come. 2 into x, 2x. Now minus is here, then plus will write 2 1 and 2. I think students you cannot see here. Okay, I am writing here. Up till here you can see. This part we are writing here. See students here. What the left here? Minus 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 4x square. And here plus. This is the minus 1x. And this one also. We will write here minus 4x square minus 1x and plus 1. What we will get here? Minus 2. Then minus 4x square minus 2 1 2, 2x. Then minus minus plus 2. Clear students? Here minus, this sign will change plus. Minus is here, then plus, plus is here, minus. plus minus cancel, plus minus minus, so plus value is greater, so x will come 1x, minus plus minus, so minus is greater, so 2 minus 1, that is minus 1, x minus 1 as a remainder. Okay students, then note it down this question. Up to now this exercise has been completed students. The exercise is completed. Now going to start next exercise. It's a D part. Noted students? Okay. Going to the students, now this exercise has been completed. You have to practice. It's needed more practice because we have to see when you are going to divide. Then all the things we will see: minus sign, plus sign, how to multiply. Because many times we have seen sign is changing, sign not changing. Okay, when plus sign is here as a quotient, when we are taking and multiplied by division. So if plus sign is given like this, suppose I am talking about this way, 2x plus 3 is given, and here minus 2 we are taking. So what happens? If minus will go this side, then all the sign will be changed. But if we have written here plus, the sign will not change. Okay, so this thing we will see, and what should take which value we will divide? What should be here? And after when we are getting, then we will subtract them also this one we will see. So many things we should keep in mind when we are doing the division. So division is not tough, but it depends on your practice. So students, I hope everyone understood. After that students, we just going to start new exercise. Name of this exercise, some special product, and this some special product is depend on some special identities. Students, identities. Actually, identities in square roots. When you started 4b, students, not 4b because square roots is 3, chapter 3rd. There is given 3b, a plus b whole square. Only their pattern is given, you have to do this way. Suppose 84 is given to 80 plus 4. So you have used that identities, a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. And a minus b whole square, suppose there 99 is given, 99 whole square, 100 minus 1 whole square. This way you have written, and you have used this all formula. All three identities, whatever now we are going to understand. Okay, so students, I think whatever you have done on that time, that's completed. Now how to prove the identities, we will see now, all three identities. The students, let us see. Three identities, first I am writing here what three identities we will use. Yes, given to go. Page number you can see, page number is given 90. Special identities. Special identities. There are three formulas given. The three formula is a plus b whole square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now students, second one, a minus b whole square. Then what we can write? A square minus 2ab plus b square. and third one a square minus b square, that is given a plus b and a minus b. These three activities we will do here. First I will show you with the proving how this value expanded to this one. This way and this one. So first we start a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Students, see one, a plus b whole square equal a square plus 2ab plus b square. How this value has come? Now from LHS side, we are taking this LHS. This is LHS part, this is LHS part. We are taking this LHS and we will put that RHS. So LHS part we have taken a plus b whole square, that means a plus b multiply a plus b. Students, a plus b, that is square is given, so we can write a plus b is 2 times 2 square, that is 2 into 2, 3 square, that is 3 into 2. As I was saying, a plus b square, that means a plus b into a plus b. Clear? So now students, when you go the previous exercise, it's b part, 6b. So where you have done binomial multiplied to binomial. Similar, we will do here. We will take any one because both are the same. So a multiply this one, a plus b. Now plus b is here, plus b multiply a plus b. So you know that na? A multiply a plus b. Now plus b multiply a plus b. Clear? A into a, that is a square, plus a into b, that is ab. Clear? Plus b into a, that is ab. No problem there. B into b, that is b square. Now open the bracket. A square plus ab plus again ab plus b square. Now we will see the light term. There is plus sign, so sign will not change. A square is single here. AB plus AB, that is 2AB plus B square. Now you can see here this one and this one, both are the same. So this way we will get A plus B whole square equal A square plus 2AB plus B square. Again you should see A plus B whole square we have taken the as LHS, and A plus B square we can write A plus B multiply A plus B. Now start from A multiply a plus b plus b multiply a plus b. A into a square plus a into b, that is ab plus b into a ab, b into b, that is b square. Now open the bracket. A square plus ab plus ab. Should don't be confused here. b into a, that should come ba. Also we can write ab. So we have written here ab. Also place plus b square. A square plus AB plus AB, that is 2AB plus B square. Now we have got this RHS part. Clear students? Now basis on few examples, we will see. If question is given 2x plus 3 whole square, other thing whatever, now how we can write. So students, see everyone, and you should write also this one, this proving. All three proving. First we have done, second also I will tell. First we will explaining with this example. Also exercise 1, first question, second question, basis on this one. So first see the one example. I am just seeing you example here from book. You can see page number 91. There is given example 1. Example 1 is given 3x plus 2y multiply 3x plus 2y. Okay, 3x plus 2y and 3x plus 2y. Saying that find the product. Find the product means we have to multiply. But students, we will not follow the rule of 6b. We will follow this identities. If we will follow the rule of the 6b, it will be same value, same answer will come, but it will be too large. They are 3-4 steps, then you will get the answer. And see about this one, what happens? 3x plus 2y and multiply 3x plus 2y. When you multiply, you know that x into x, then we can write x square. Clear student? Similar here, 3x plus 2y whole square. Clear? So by using formula, you will write also here student. When you are writing this one, you will do this one by using identities. By using identities, a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Clear students? So here you will write 3x plus 2y whole square equal. Students, a value is 3x and b value is 2y. So place of a we will write the 3x and place of b we will write the 2y. So students, a 3x whole square plus 2 multiply a value is 3x multiply b value is 2y plus b value is 2y then whole square. Clear students? Now writing here 3x whole square. It means the square will come both sides, both value. 3 as well as square, x also is square. So 3 square, that is 3 into 3, that is 9. 3x whole square means 9x square plus 2 3 is only numerical multiply. 2 3 is 6, 6 2 is 12. 12 x into y, that is xy plus 2y whole square means 2 square, that is 4, and y into y, that is y square. 9x square plus 12xy plus 4y square. It's so easy. And only 2 or 3 steps we have got the answer. Only you should learn the formula and how to apply this. Clear? Again I am telling you 3x plus 2y, 3x plus 2y, 3x plus 2y whole square. You should identify which identity you will use here. So a plus b whole square, because this term is also plus. So a plus b whole square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So a value is here 3x, b value is 2y. A square 3x whole square plus 2 into 3x into 2y plus 2y whole square. So 3x whole square 9x square, 2 3 is 6, 6 to 12, 12xy plus 2 into means 2 square 4 and y square. So this answer will come 9x square plus 12xy plus 4y square. Students, you can note with the for this identities, first identities. Okay students, I hope noted everyone. So students, basis on this one, you have to do, it's question number 1, exercise D, question number 1. Exercise D, that is 6D, question number 1. I am giving you 1 second, first, second, third, the fifth. Okay, this one you will do, or if you will try question number 1 or if you can. Clear students? So hope everyone understood. So what we have given today, and also 6C, students, exercise 6C, there is from 11 to what we have told. 11 I told you students, from 11 to 15. 11 to 15. Also you will do this. Clear students? So today homework, exercise 6C, 11 to 15, exercise 16, question 1, and these 4 questions. You will note it on your notebook. And with this, identities, whatever I told today. Clear? So students, next things and next IITs we will discuss next class. So till then students, thank you. Jai Hind students.